Vanessa Rios from Match Date Love. Here we are at our singles mixer, raising money, raising awareness for Toys for Tots. This is what it's all about. How do you meet singles with a generous heart? People that actually not just say it, but live it and have the actions to prove it. At Match Date Love, you have the once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to meet those singles at our events, and also to be match made privately by myself and my wonderful team of love catchers. So go ahead and sign up at our website for our next event or meet with your matchmaker at matchdatelove.com. Mwah! I look forward to seeing you soon. Bye!